President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said the opening of classes in public schools will push through as planned, but the decision to postpone for areas hit hard by Super Typhoon Karina would depend on school authorities. In a chance interview during his site visit in the storm-stricken Rizal on Friday, President Marcos instructed the Department of Education or DepEd to do everything that it can to resume classes on July 29.
Yun, gawin nyo lahat. Buksan yung ang pagpasok, gawin nyo hanggat maaari kung kaya nyo buksan.
PBBM said the Education Department, led by the newly appointed former Senator Sani Angara, should be able to figure out the middle ground since schools have not returned to full-time, face-to-face classes since the COVID-19 pandemic.
Siguro yung iba mapipilitan, they will conduct classes outside of the school building, makapagklase lang. Tingnan natin, we'll see. They will, ganyan naman, nasanay na tayo sa pandemic. Kahit hakanapan natin ng paraan para magkaroon pa rin ng pasok.
Several schools have either been damaged or used as makeshift homes for residents living in low-lying areas as the southwest monsoon intensified by the typhoon unleashed torrential rains and triggered massive floods in various parts of the country on Wednesday. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, we serve the people, we give glory to God.